In today's video, I'm going to represent to you another method on how you can make money online by yourself and earn some extra money. In fact, guys, this is going to be one of the best methods that you have seen already because it's related to one of the most required niches out there. So guys, I'm referring to the strategy of affiliate marketing. And what we are going to promote, it is one of the most well-known niches that everyone requires it, which means that you are going to get the attention and the clicks really quickly on your affiliate link. And with the strategies that I'm going to show you and also how to get more people to click on your link, you're going to see that you can earn a lot. So guys, grab your laptop. Make sure you are keeping notes and paying attention to everything that I'm going to say, so in the end, you will be capable of doing this by yourself. Now, before I reveal to you even more, first, I would like to ask you for a little support by subscribing to our YouTube channel, but also turn on notification bell, so in this way, you will never lose any new update from me. As you know, I'm always posting different videos on my YouTube channel, so you probably don't want to miss any of that. So guys, let's jump over to the site that it's going to make us earn money today. And it's called moreniche.com. This is the #1 health affiliate network. So here you are going to find different brands that sell health products. Now guys, when we speak about health, you know that we have all the attention of the people. Why so? Because millions and billions of people are interested knowing how to be healthy, how to be fit, how to take care of their body. Which means that if you require the word health on YouTube, you're going to see that all of the videos get more than 1 million, even to 3 billions of clicks. So we know that this is a lot required by people. This is why I'm going to show you and represent to you the #1 health affiliate network. But despite the fact that you are going to find some products that will get sold immediately, you're also going to see that the commissions are really high. They have different brands that you can work with them. Now you can choose whatever you want to, like Health Nutrition, Muscle Club, or Male Extra, or whatever you want to, but I'm going with Zotrim today because it's a very well-known brand and everyone knows it. So click on More Zotrim and here you are going to find the Zotrim affiliate program. Now let's get some information about Zotrim. Guys, you have some really high commission here, starting over with 40%. Now guys, I always refer to you website who have commissions to 30 and upper because with them you can earn a lot of money. Now the average that you're going to find on other websites is probably 50 to 20, but never so high. So Zotrim is one of the best out there. The average order value that someone has to make is only $150, which is not that high because we have seen products more expensive that you can find, for example, in Digistore24. The average conversion rate is 22.7%, and you're going to get earnings per click. Here you are going to find herbal weight loss supplement, reduces hunger, improves energy, backed by clinical studies and expert-approved papers. Upsell opportunity with Zotrim Plus drink. You can also check a little bit the brand. As I told you, it has some very high conversion rate. Extremely well-established brand, so it has been for 50 years. Most clinically backed and proven product on the network. Outperforms prescription drugs in trials. Patented formula, positive media reviews and in-depth customer success stories, recent website makeover improved conversions, ongoing conversion optimization. You also are going to see that they have the free worldwide shipping, multi-buy offers and savings, live chat support, social media channels, money back guarantee, and free guides with purchases. So these are the information that you need to know because you are going to represent to the people that you are going to promote Zotrim. So guys, in order to become part of Zotrim affiliate program, just click on Join More Niche to promote Zotrim. Here you are going to put your name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, and click join now. Here you are going to see the dashboard, guys, in which you can keep a track of all of the total visits, sales, live balance, and payouts too. So guys, just click on this right now and click on the offers because we have to change this from 0 to some numbers. And in order to do that, we have to grab the affiliate link. Here you are going to see the top 5 brands and featured brands. So we are going to stick with Zotrim as I explained to you from the beginning of this video. One more time, you're going to see all of the information about Zotrim that you need to know in order to represent to people and promote it. You have to be very convincing, so guys, you have to learn this really good and represent. Now, as I told you, you are going to get 40% per sale and the average APC is 72 cents. Copy the link of Zotrim and start sharing it. Guys, the cookie duration here are lifetime, so don't worry about this part. So now we got the link. What has left is to share it. So we have come to that part of the video in which I have to reveal to you where you're going to share Zotrim and which will be the target people. Now, since we are speaking about health and everything else, we will be, our target, let's say, will be the people who care about their health and people who want to be fit or lose weight or things like this. And without losing any more time, we will go directly to this type of community. So go over to Google and search for health forums, because in this way you are going to find directly the target people that you care, people that would truly spend their money on this product. So guys, open health forums and here you are going to find a lot of different forums, just like I have found over here MedHelp and also Patient. You are going to see all of this, but you can choose whatever you want to and become part as many forums as you can, because in this way you can represent to more people about Zotrim and of course get as many clicks as possible. Go over to Facebook too, guys, because Facebook can give you the opportunity to find these types of community too. Just go over to the search bar and click for health, and here you are going to find all of these groups that you can become part of them and of course represent to them Zotrim and leave the link over there so they can click on it and buy the product and make you earn money. I would totally recommend to you Quora too, because here people can make questions about health and you can answer to those questions by representing Zotrim and leave the link down below. The last but not least is YouTube. Now guys, this might be a little bit difficult, but you can try it out because you will not lose anything and it's completely for free. So just open a YouTube channel, grab a camera, or you can just use screen record or pictures. You can speak about health, you can get information on Google and speak a little bit about health, interesting facts, how to be healthy, and in the end, you can make a promotion of Zotrim. You can see by yourself too that the health videos get millions of views. Now, of course, I'm not saying that the video that you're going to publish will go immediately viral, but still, why not giving a try when it's completely for free, right? I would totally recommend to you to combine all of these methods of finding people, because in the end, you can understand which of them will work perfectly for you. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.